Rug Doctor's revolutionary new Pro Deep Cleaner. Before you begin using the Pro Deep Cleaner, be sure to vacuum thoroughly so you can get the best results from your cleaning. Press down to release the clean water tank and fill it with hot tap water to the fill line. Then, measure the Rug Doctor cleaning solution in the pour cap and add 2 capfuls to your clean hot water. Tighten the cap firmly into place for best results. Secure the clean water tank on the Pro Deep Cleaner and it will click into place. Now plug the machine in. Release the handle, press the carpet toggle, and push the Pro Deep Cleaner forward and pull back while squeezing the soap and scrub button. For best results, go over each lane backward and forward twice while squeezing the soap and scrub button. Then release the soap and scrub button and go over each lane backward and forward 2 more times. The Pro Deep Cleaner will tell you when it needs more cleaning solution. Remove both water tanks, empty the dirty water tank, and refill the clean water tank with hot water and solution. Then replace the tanks and keep cleaning until you're done. The upholstery attachment is ideal for removing stains and odors from soft surfaces in your home and automobile. Secure the head on the hose, then attach the hose to the front of the machine. Then just press the toggle to tool mode. Squeeze the trigger to spray Rug Doctor cleaning solution, press the attachment head firmly on the fabric, and make multiple passes until the stain is gone. Release the trigger as you near the edge of the surface to avoid overspraying.
But getting a fresh start doesn't have to be intimidating with the Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner. It's easy to use, and it delivers the impressive deep cleaning power needed to leave tough messes in the past. Hoover's Power Spin brush roll scrubs deep into your carpets, while strong suction and heat force cut down on dry time. And PowerDash is super lightweight and compact. So whether you're tackling spills like this, accidents like this, or just giving your home a refresh, it's no big deal with the Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner. Get impressive results only from Hoover, plus our lineup of powerful solutions at your favorite retailer today. The Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner.
Introducing the new Vax Platinum SmartWash, our latest and best performing carpet washer ever. For a deep clean that's just as easy as vacuuming, but 7 times more effective. As the UK's first carpet washer with motion sense technology, it automatically washes when you push forward and dries when you pull back. Simple. And to help your carpets dry in as little as an hour, just switch to dry only mode. Vax Platinum SmartWash kills over 99% of bacteria. And Auto Mix means you're always using the perfect mix. Flex Force brush bars deliver powerful cleaning force to shift stains and lift spills, effortlessly outperforming the UK's leading rental. And its stretch hose is perfect for sofas, stairs and car interiors too. Leaving everything deep clean and smelling fresh. Ready for the next mess.